My name is Henry Tumusime. Tumusime is a Runyankole name. So I'm a Runyankole from Uganda. Yeah.
Ananami from Japan. I'm fourth year of university student. Then I'm going to graduate from university in March. But now I have break time, so I visit Uganda and Kenya too.
Thank you.
And I'm member of People Africa Honey. Thank you so much.
I studied electricity and I'm a professional electrician, domestic installation. But after studying electricity, I went further to study beekeeping. So I studied beekeeping professionally, and I also joined the beekeeping companies in Uganda and around Uganda. So at least we have visited very many farmers around northern Uganda, western Uganda. That's why I told him we are travelers. So we travel a lot. We even have some farmers in Rwanda and also online interested group in Nigeria also want to join the service. I love beekeeping so much, and I love sharing the knowledge of beekeeping. I love it so much. Even if you don't give me food, but you ask me to talk about bees and beekeeping, there we can talk until the next day. Power Africa Honey came in when I was still touring, when I was still working with the company. The chance came in involving these Japanese looking for proper market. So we decided to, instead of training people from there, I came back to set up the Beeper Africa Honey in the areas of my reach. Love and knowledge almost for the beekeeping almost working together. You may have love for beekeeping but not having knowledge. So that's why it has actually me too, it affected me. So when I count the years of beekeeping, they are around 19 years of beekeeping. To achieve from it successfully, you have to have that knowledge. So knowledge is really very, very, very important. You may have love, but not knowing what to do. So you keep on getting bees and the bees go. You keep on getting bees in the hives and the pests come, destroy the hive. And you find that you are doing you have a lot of hives, but the pests and because of not knowing how to set up the temperatures of the apiary, you find that you are messing a lot. So you waste a lot of time not getting the real benefits from your beekeeping. We encourage starting with the little and knowledge. So the more it goes, the more experience and knowledge you get, the more products you get. But when you start with very many hives, you got to realize you spent money and time getting the hives and the bees are not coming, the pests are destroying. Sometimes there are people who get the hives and the bees come many more than the food they have in the area. So you find that the bees are making very little honey, like 1 or 2 kilograms. And yet the standard hive of that cat bee at least would be producing between 15 to 20, 25 kilograms per harvest.